K900 Max Drone Operation Guide. Unpacking the product and accessories. Product contents. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Connect to power. Red light stays on during charging. Lights turn off automatically when fully charged. Remote controller charging demonstration. Connecting the remote controller. Connect to power. The indicator light stays on during charging. The green light stays on when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. Remove the remote controller joysticks. Install the remote controller joysticks. Extend the drone arms. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on a level surface. Press and hold to turn on the drone. Then turn on the remote controller. The remote controller will automatically pair with the drone. 1-button gyro calibration. Push the left stick up to unlock the drone. Push it up again to take off. 1-button takeoff. Ascend. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Move forward. Move backward. Fly left. Fly right. Speed switch. 1 beep indicates low speed. 2 beeps indicate medium speed. 3 beeps indicate high speed. Motorized camera adjustment. Press briefly to enter obstacle avoidance mode. The drone will stop flying when it encounters an obstacle. Press the roll button and move the right stick. The drone will perform a 360-degree roll. Airdrop mode demonstration. Align the rope with the hook and attach it. Once attached, press the button to lock the hook. After the drone is in the air, press the airdrop button on the remote control. The drone will drop the item. One-touch landing. Press the photo button briefly to take a photo. Press the record button briefly to start recording. Press the record button again briefly to save the recording. Press the back button and select File System to view photos and videos. Press the back button to return to the live view. Connect to the app. Scan the QR code in the manual to download the corresponding app. Press and hold to turn off the live view screen. Connect to the drone's Wi-Fi after the download is complete. Open the app after connecting. To view the live feed, clip your phone onto the drone to begin flying. Replacing propellers. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the propeller screws and remove the propellers. Note the A and B markings. Install the corresponding propellers.